Hey there everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make garlic bread, or grilled cheese garlic bread. Our first step is to melt 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter in a pot. Make sure it's not on high heat because we don't want it to boil or simmer. We'll lose melted butter this way. This is optional, but while your butter is melting, go on ahead and grab 1 small cup and 1 big cup. Now while your butter is melting, let's go on ahead and add seasoning. First, put in some basil, then oregano, some garlic powder, or you can just use chopped up garlic. And then last but not least, parsley. And then go on ahead and give that a stir. Now that your butter is all melted, go on ahead and pour it into the smaller cup. Put in 1 or 2 ice cubes into the bigger cup. This way the water will be cold. Or if you want, you can just pop it into the fridge. But if you do this step, make sure that the water doesn't go into the butter. We don't want to submerge it. And then let it be for 40 minutes. After about 40 minutes, your butter should be this nice jam-like consistency. Now we're just going to spread the butter onto some bread. It is totally up to you on how much butter you would like to spread on your own bread. You may do whatever you want with this recipe. I myself am making a grilled cheese garlic bread. If you're grilling it or putting it in the oven, you should be able to smell the garlic butter. It smells really good. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe.